Hey guys, here I'm going to show you how to make a Lego sharpener by using glue, Lego, and the real sharpener. And let's get started. I chose a flat Lego piece so it's easier for me. So now I can just glue it right here. And now let's get started. Start by putting the hot glue on your flat piece, your piece of Lego. And now you can just put your sharpener on it. Start by lighting the first step that you just did, drying, and now you just need to take the glue and put it on a 4-piece or Lego piece. That's why you need to flip it over, and then you have to start gluing. See, now I have the glue. Now I'm gonna place it just to secure it so it won't do anything bad. So it won't fall off, And now I'm gonna take the glue again. And now we're gonna glue these pieces, a yellow and green, whatever pieces you like, whatever pieces you want. Now I've done it, now I'm just gonna put them on. Take your sharpener piece and put it where the hole is facing so you can sharpen. And don't forget to leave one space, like putting it to the edge, but it needs to leave 2 pieces behind. Here's how mine looks. Now I'm gonna add the next pieces. Get 4 1-piecers and don't forget the glue. Now you have to glue 1-piecer to the other 1-piecer. When you've done putting those, I'm gonna tell you the next step. Now it shall look like this. And now we just need to add the top. Do not glue it, okay?
First, start by putting a green square piece on the bottom. When you finish putting it on, you shall take a 4-piece red and then a 4-piece green to put it on top to make the roof.
Now the Lego should cover all of the sharpener like I told you to do. And now I'm going to show you how to test it out. And now I got my pencil. I'm going to go test the sharpener. See how dirty it is? Now I'm going to put it in the garbage. Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.